Hi, I was expecting you. My name is Neelan, and I will be your teacher for today. But before we get into the actual meat of the curriculum, I want you to close your eyes. Close them with me. Now imagine you lived in a world where you could write on a piece of paper and whatever you wrote down would manifest into whatever you desired. You could create a new universe, new life forms, jobs, money, have food created for you without you having to do as much as anything. Seems magical, right? Like spellcraft, doesn't it? But what if I told you something like that already existed? Now open your eyes. This thing is called code. When pieced together into a more complex set of instructions, it is called a program. With the ability to code, you are limited only by your knowledge and creativity. By gaining the ability to program, you can manifest anything, and I mean anything you desire. Most technology today, and most of the improvements in the world today, have something to do with code that helped accelerate it. With a keyboard, you have your magical pencil, and the computer is the paper that will manifest your dreams. Excited yet? Well, Arthur C. Clarke is a famous author, and once he said, "Any sufficiently advanced technology is indistinguishable from magic. The goal of my team is to make you into a real-world wizard and give you the ability to manifest things and change your thoughts into things." Learning to code isn't difficult. You may have assumed, based on all the hubbub in the media, that all these coders are geniuses, or there's something different about them. But that isn't true. In order to learn how to code, sure, it's a different way of thinking, but you have to put in the time, make the mistakes, have the desire, the knowledge, and mainly, as I said before, put in the time. If you have all of that and are willing to put in the grunt work, everything else later on will become easy for you. A properly coded program integrated with the right machine parts can do everything from enhancing your physical abilities, performing time-consuming tasks that would usually take you tons of time to do, like clean your room, make well-informed, emotionless decisions and analyses for you. We're already doing that with weather predictions and stuff, but that's only the beginning. You can even create real-world simulations of environments and machines that would be used for training purposes and would be an expensive process if you actually had to have people use that equipment in real life. So technology is a great cost saver. And by using technology and programs to their full potential, you can focus on what is important. You can spend more time with your family. You don't have to work 24-hour workdays in the worst of cases. Furthermore, it can do a lot of the work without you having to worry at 1,000 times the speed and do the work of 1,000 people in seconds. Less headaches, less worries, and a happier life. How? We're going to get to that later. And in my opinion, in a lot of companies that I've worked for in the past, technology and programming hasn't been used to its full potential. Consequently, it creates more work, but it doesn't have to be like that for you. So by going through this course, you're going to be a star player. Furthermore, each program you create can create jobs, reach a massive audience, and even generate income. And the amount of people you can help with their ideas is innumerably more than without it. So that's all for our first lesson. It was purely an introduction to this magical world of coding. I hope you will come back for more. And I hope to see you again soon. Bye.